We have been tasked to create a data security solution that will keep a company's IP address secure. In order to achieve this, our experts have settled on a two-part solution, one part firewall and one part VPN. The VPN will hide the company's IP addresses from malicious entities trying to gain access to sensitive information, and the firewall will prevent any viral program from spreading through the company's network and compromising security. The biggest stakeholder in this project is the company funding the project, who wishes to remain unnamed. They will directly benefit from the success of our system, which will be directly implemented with their network. Other stakeholders include the employees of this company, whose work will be directly affected, and company competitors, who will be disadvantaged by not having an equally strong data security system. The big requirements for this system to work are a AAA server, which will require credentials for users to access it, remote accessibility, as the company we're working with is known to have many employees who work from home, a client VPN, in which one computer acts as the host for others to connect to, and finally the server has to be prepared for large spikes in activity and users so it can maintain functionality at all times. Our timeline suggests that this project should take about 23 days if everything goes according to plan. We start with getting approval for the project, and we then need to manage two major components, the software side as well as the hardware installation. Both can start simultaneously, with the software portion taking an estimated 16 days to complete, while the hardware side should take only 7. After both are prepared, we must combine the systems and work out any bugs between them, a process we have allocated 2 days. Our budget for this project is broken down into direct costs, definite things that need to be paid for during the project, and indirect costs, which cover problems that may occur. We have allocated 29% of our budget to covering the indirect costs, which may inhibit the project. This will allow us to overcome these problems swiftly and continue the project. The rest of our $200,000 budget is being used for buying hardware and software components, paying programmers and technicians, yearly maintenance after project completion, and user assistance. The product we found to be most comparable to our project is the Microsoft Windows 10 VPN, which we were able to compare and contrast with our own project goals to optimize our end project. We were inspired to incorporate features such as large network capacity and automatic user connection into our end product. Some of the biggest risks we can see when facing this project are having to do with the firewall. The most likely and damaging risk we can encounter is the firewall becoming out of date after the project is finalized, exposing the network to newer data security threats. We have decided to tackle this issue by continually updating the system's firewall after the release of our end product. This